Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use Find My iPhone with family and friends. So for this purpose, first you need to open Find My app on your mobile device. Then this page will appear. Here you have the option of start sharing location. You simply need to click on it. And here enter the name of that person to whom you want to share your location. It doesn't matter that the person have iPhone or not to whom you share your location. You simply need to click on send button at the top right corner. Once you click on send button, then this page will pop up on your screen. Here select the duration that for how many time you want to share your location. And then here you can see your location is sended. Now that person can see your live location where you are. For stop sharing location, you simply need to click on this option. Then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of stop share location. You simply need to click on it. Once you click on stop sharing location, then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of stop sharing location. You simply need to click on it and you can see your location is stopped. So this is how you can use Find My iPhone with family or friends. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.